Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to change your X or Twitter theme into dark mode. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your X or Twitter theme into dark mode, it's actually very easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for that, you will need to go to your X settings. So just click this three dots icon on the sidebar. And then go to Settings and Privacy. And here on Settings, I want you to go to the Accessibility Display and Languages. And then here, select Display. And now here in the display section, you can now turn your X theme into dark mode by selecting this dark mode or lights out option right here. And then that's it, guys. It's done. Congratulations. You have now changed your theme into dark mode just like that. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.